Hey everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Coding Kaksha. If you have not subscribed my channel yet, please subscribe and like the videos, and even don't forget to comment over the videos if you have any suggestion. I used to regularly upload the videos over programming, interview related questions, and the all program related stuffs and daily tech news. So please subscribe my YouTube channel. Now today's video is all about the Tableau. So in Tableau, we will learn how to replace a custom values into the column and how we can create a alias name of the particular value. So if you look over this Excel file, I have this customer detail Excel file, and in this Excel file, I have requirement like I have to combine this first name, middle name, and last name in one column, and another thing like at the place of null, I have to replace this null value with the blank like nothing. I have to remove this null character. Wherever I will get null character in middle name, I have to remove that, and I have to populate those values, these three, first name, middle name, last name, into the customer name column. And another requirement is this gender, right? Instead of fm, I have to give the alias name female and male. So we will learn in this video how we will do this into the Tableau. So let's open the Tableau and go to the Microsoft Excel. Like to load the file, right? We have several thing in Tableau public. Like we have different type of the Tableau. Like Tableau public is free for everyone. This is open source, so anyone can go and download this and use. So if you don't know how to download, I will give you the link of that download link. You can directly go over there and download and install this. This is a very easy thing. Like to, if you want to connect to the server also, so OData web data connector is there. And for the more like these three, Google Drive, OData, and web data connector, three are the given into the Tableau public, that is free for everyone, anyone can use. Then for that file, right, from the file, like we can onboard Microsoft Excel file, text file, JSON file, access file, PDF file, spatial file, statistical file. So for this file, right, if you don't know what are the these files, I will give you the overview of this file in another separate videos. So let's open, like I have an Excel file as of now with me. So I'll go to the Microsoft Excel file, and this customer detail is the my Excel file. I will open this over here. Once it will open, so I could see this top 100 records of that Excel file. So first requirement is to combine this first name, middle name, last name. So I will go over here and I will create a calculated field, and I will give this customer name. So C capital. After giving this, I have to sum this all, right? First name, and for looking purpose, I will give a space between these, so it will create some space and it will look fine. Middle name plus last name. So if you'll apply this right now, uh, it is looking like this. Fill this customer name, so null is coming in between that, right? Wherever the null in middle name column, we are, this null is getting populated into the customer name also. So I'll go into the edit, and I will again, what I'll use, reg replace function. So let's go through this reg replace function, what actually this reg replace function is. So if you look over here, right, reg replace function, so this function is custom function into the Tableau, and this required three parameters. One is a string. So this string, right, this is the pre-existing value, or if pre-existing value into the column, or any column if you want to remove the values. And sometimes we could pass the custom string also, like we could pass anything, apple, and in this apple we can give any x, and like this. And now we have to remove this x to be look this apple perfect. So like this we could do it into the string. And then pattern, right? So pattern is nothing, what we want to replace, like x we want to replace from the apple word that which we have given. So this x will be the pattern. Then replacement will be what of replacement of the pattern, like instead of x what we want to give. So we could do that also. Or if there will be 3 a p p l e, right? Then we want to remove this extra p. So we could do also that this pp3, instead of 3 we want to give 2. So that we can also do over here. So let's go through this. Similarly, we have to give this null, we have to replace this null with the blank values. We will not pass anything into that. So let's go over here in Tableau, and we have defined this reg replace function, and in a string I am passing this middle name, column middle name, then pattern will be null. uh, Whenever we will get null, that will be our pattern, then replacement will be nothing, just I want a blank. Okay, then apply this. I just applied, and okay, that's what we got. Our first output, what is in requirement, that is customer name. Then another requirement is gender. So we have to replace this f as a female, m as a male. So we can do this as a two ways, because if you want to do into the same column, gender column, then we will use this alias. We will go over here, and for the f values we will use female, and for the m values we will use male. Okay, and we will press ok. This is the alias. Like for the female getting, for the f word we are getting female, for the m word we are getting the male. And if you want to remove this alias also, we will go to alias and we will clear this. That's it. So if you don't want to clear, just keep it as. And if there is a requirement like create a new calculated field, then we can go and we can create a new column, gender. So this is not perfect over here. Like instead of creating one extra column, handling one extra column, we could like go over here and we can use alias only, right? So that will be perfect for us. So this is the thing. Now we could see this output, like if we'll go into the seats and we can drag and drop this customer name and gender. So you could see like we are getting first name, middle name, last name also, and we are getting gender as a f as a female, m as a male. So this is the required. If you have liked these videos, please subscribe my channel and like the videos, and share with your friends who is using working over Tableau and having going to work over the Tableau, looking for the Tableau's videos. I will post more functions videos over the this YouTube channel. And thanks for watching my videos this much long.